What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing well today. And I'm going to keep this video short and pretty brief because I know some of my audience doesn't listen to the stuff I put out about JennyCo, but there is a portion of you that listen and want to be involved in this project going forward. Well, if you're currently involved in this project, they have released now where you can get a coupon code and go get your test kit. And so you'll get an email, so check your email. The email will take you to a page that looks like this. It's just sequencing.com, JennyCo. It's their bundle. And then you can scroll all the way down to this little claim $0 offer with JennyCo discount code. And you'll just click this, follow the prompts, and then put the code in they gave you through your email. And then you'll be able to claim this kit. And for $10 shipping, this will get shipped out to you. You'll take the test, send in your information, and boom, your data is then anonymously added to your account. And as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, but JennyCo, the way it's going to work is once we submit our DNA data, then we will start reaping rewards on the back end of them leasing that data out for us. Okay, so this is all you need to do right now. So if you're involved in this product or in this project, go grab this. Make sure you get this. You'll check your email and you'll get an email from JennyCo. Come over, grab this with your discount code, and for $10, you can get your kit. Now, you can also upgrade, and you get like a huge discount here if you decide you want to upgrade. A little secret on this: if you want to get it even cheaper, just claim the $0 offer here. And when you go to the next page, it will actually tell you that you can upgrade and take an additional $69 off of even this price right here, the already discounted price. So little secret there, a little thing I found out. Now, I ended up just going with the totally free kit since I already paid for that with my NFT that I grabbed through these guys. But if you want more data and you want to submit more data and learn more about your own DNA, go with this one. And I will show you guys one other thing that's really cool here. So they do mention that, where is this? One second here, I'll find this. They actually, okay. So it's on this page. Okay, here we go. Will the whole genome sequencing test be more valuable data than the ultimate DNA test? And JennyCo goes on to say, while both tests will include a plethora of valuable data, the whole genome sequencing test will include 100 times more data, as it includes 100% of an individual's genome as opposed to 1% of the individual's genome tested from the ultimate DNA test. It is a fair assumption that the data obtained from the whole genome sequencing test will be more valuable to data buyers on JennyCo's exchange than the ultimate DNA test. So what they're basically saying there is that getting this whole genome sequencing, is going to provide them with more data, which probably in the long run will bring you a lot more return on your investment here with these guys. So I'm not telling you what to do. You pick what you want to do. Like I said, I just went with this one for now. I still might switch over and grab this because you can get both kits. So I may do that going forward. But for now, I'm just sticking with this one because I already paid for it. And yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to share this information with you. So you've got until April 31st to grab this. So don't miss out. Go grab this kit. And for all those who were not able to get into the project, it looks like they're going to be opening things up again sometime in the first quarter or second quarter of this year. So I'll keep you guys informed on that for anyone who's paying attention to this project. And I will see you guys in the next video.